Okay, fifth graders, little homework help video. This is 5.2, isn't it? Yeah, here we go. Lesson 5.2. And in class we did quite a few problems. A couple of you asked me about number 8, 9, and 10 actually. So, what do you put here? So they've changed 412 to 400. That makes sense. Divided by 84. Well, I think that would make sense to put 80 in this box. That should be kind of obvious. And so 400 divided by 80, well, if you have no idea what that is, take the next step. Get rid of one of those zeros, get rid of one of those zeros. So what do we have here? We're left with 40 divided by 8. What does that equal? 40 divided by 8 is 5. And so the answer 5 goes right there. And notice I don't add a 0 to 5. And the reason is there's not any zeros that we ignored in our final step. We used 40, including that 0. And 40 divided by 8 is simply 5. I'll do number 9 with you also. 288 becomes 280. 37. That's pretty close to what? What number might go evenly into 28? I'm thinking 40. And 280 divided by 40 equals. Notice how this box is a little small, so it's going to be probably another single-digit number. And we could cross out this 0 here, cross out this 0 here. So what do we have? We have 28 divided by 4. Well, what's 28 divided by 4 equal? Well, that's going to be 7. Let you do that last one on your own. And we did a couple of these down below in class, so I'm not going to worry about those. Let's go to the last page here. Admittedly, I haven't even looked at these, but let's take a peek here. Look at 23. So it says the sign shows the price of baseball caps for different pack sizes. So these are small, these are medium, and these are large. 20 caps, 32 caps, 50 caps, and here's the price. Looks like. Coach Lewis, whoever that is, will buy the medium-sized pack of caps. So Coach Lewis looks like is going to buy this one. But how much will each cap cost? Write an equation to model the problem. So what's the cost? $270. Okay. We're going to be dividing it by something. What do you think we're going to be dividing it by? Well, that should be obvious. 32 divided by 32 equals. Now, it says about, another key word, so we're not looking for a specific or an exact answer, rather. So I would rewrite this as 270 divided by, I'll just make it 30. And then we have we could get rid of the 0, so it'd be 27 divided by 3. And the answer would be 9. And we didn't have any leftover zeros that we didn't use. If we canceled out this one and this one, it would be 27 divided by 3. There's nothing left over that I would add to the 9. So that seems about right. So, so it's not what, 9? It's $9. Or if somebody wrote a $sign and then a decimal and 2 zeros, either one of those answers would be sufficient. So 24, it says there are 91 days until the craft sale. Autumn needs to make 817 rings before the sale. She wants to make about the same number of rings each day. And how many days until the sale? It's 91. I'm already seeing something we can be writing here. About how many rings should she make each day? So it's going to be 817. And again, the key word is about, so we're not looking for an exact answer. Okay. I see some compatible numbers, so we could convert this to 90. That'd be easy. And how about 810? All right. And so we can get rid of a 0 here and a 0 here, so it's 81 divided by 9. What's 81 divided by 9 equal? Well, that's 9. 9 times 9 is 81. And let's see, so about how many rings should she make each day? So about 9 rings. And explain how Autumn can use compatible numbers to estimate. Well, let's see here. Let's see, 81 rings can be divided by 9 days easily. Okay, go. Number 25. Higher order thinking. A company purchased 3,128 bottles of water. Each department needs 55 bottles. Find compatible numbers to estimate the number of departments that can get the bottles they need. Explain. Well, I would just convert this to 3,000 divided by, instead of 55, I would just make it 50. And that's going to work. And so what do we get? You get 60. So let's see here, find compatible numbers to estimate the number of departments that can get the bottles they need. Explain. So let's see here. How do you explain that? You'd say 3,000 divided by 50 is 60. So it is about, that would be 60 departments. Okay. Rita. Early on in my teaching years, I had a student named Rita. She had $20. Then she saved $5.85 each week. So she saved that much each week for 8 weeks. How much money does she have now? Use the bar diagram to solve the problem. Show your work. Well, so it's going to be 585. I mean, you don't need to write 585 in each one. That's kind of what they're saying to do. And you know it's going to be $5.85 times 8 weeks. All right. And then when you have your answer, whatever your answer is, you're going to add to that what? $20. And so your answer is going to be some dollars something. All right? You should be able to do that one. Last two, multiple choice. You are on your own. I guess it's Leah bought 255 flowers and 12 vases. She put, I'm recording and I'm done in 30 seconds. She put about the same number of flowers in each vase, which is the best estimate. Again, we're not looking for an exact answer for the number of flowers in each. And you can do 28 on your own also. I will see you guys tomorrow.